Flow limiters are very useful devices to reduce the flow and enhance performance, and can be bought from bristan.com. Here's how to fit them. You'll need the following tools: adjustable spanner, flathead screwdriver, long nose pliers. Step 1. Getting started. First things first, isolate the water supply and remove the shower hose. Step 2. Remove the shower valve. Undo the compression nuts on the elbows and undo the grub screws. Step 3. Place the flow limiters into the unit, narrow end first. Step 4. Reassembly. Finally, place the unit back on the wall, tightening both back nuts and grub screws, and refit the hose, making sure the hose washer is installed.